Hi guys. So I've done I think 2 or 1, I don't remember, a burping vid. So I'm gonna do another one. Only this time there's a little twist to it, so I'm gonna really have to drink it fast because it's not Coke this time. It's actually water. So I'm gonna do this thing for 1 week. I'm gonna be trying out different liquids to see if it makes you burp. This today is water, which I probably won't work, but I'm thinking maybe if I do it really fast, it'll work. So, yeah, we're gonna get right into this video. Well, not right now, actually. Let me just explain something. I'm gonna try to drink it really fast and see if it burps, because usually it's only Coke and like some kinds of juice make you do it. But, yeah, so we're gonna see if it works. So let's do this. My last burping vid got a lot of views. Well, not a lot, but some views. I'm gonna say some views. So let's get right into this video. I have a cup of water. Kind of made me burp. It's not really working. I can't. It won't work. I only did like 2 burps. I can't burp. Let me finish this. And then I'll get another cup of water if I have to. I like burps. I've been trying to drink another like water. Okay. Oh, I can't burp. There's one. Only one though. It won't come out. I feel like I have to burp, but it won't come out. My stomach hurts. I don't know if I should drink more because I'm drinking this really fast here. I feel like I really have to burp, but it just won't come. Maybe only Coke because of the bubbles makes you. I don't know. I thought it was just if you drink it really fast, it burps. You burp. So, oh my god, my stomach hurts. I shouldn't have done this. I don't know how it feels to be me. Oh. Okay. Okay, my stomach really actually hurts really bad right now. And I don't think I can drink more. I really don't think I can drink more. Because it really hurts. It doesn't hurt if you, your stomach doesn't start hurting if you drink, Coke really fast. It just feels weird. It doesn't feel hurt though. But like when you drink water, it makes you hurt. Like that really fast though. Probably like a million burps stored up inside me. Oh, I want to be there to drink more, but I can't. I feel like I really have to burp. Okay, I'm gonna drink a little bit more. Got my water here. That's my water in there. It was filled to the top, so I just drink kind of a lot. Here, let me show you how much I drink so far. Oh, sorry about that. Keep forgetting I have a cover case. You can't really see where the water line is, basically, but see, it's a little bit darker where the water line is. Anyway, I drank a lot, so be proud. So I'm gonna do more, but. I know I didn't drink a lot that time. I had to stop because my stomach was hurting. I was drinking that. That was like a weird burp. That usually worked. I want to do more, but I can't. Drinking water really fast actually makes your stomach hurt. Oh. So by the way, my sister asked if I could do this. So. What? Hold on. Okay, so that's the end of this vid. Really bad stomach ache. Bye.